Hi and welcome back. Today I'm making another art journal page with the handmade collage papers I shared a while ago. I will link up the video with the collage papers at the end of this video so you can check it out if you haven't watched it so far. I'm adhering all the papers with gel medium. When I made all these collage papers, I decided to challenge myself and use those in future projects. I did a bunch of other stuff with the collage papers and I am going to run out of them. That means I have some bigger pieces left, but it's not really much, and I will maybe soon make another video on how I make new collage papers if you're interested. So if you want to see that, then leave me a comment. I'm going to speed up the collage process because it gets kind of long and I don't want to bore you. If you want to play along with me, then I would recommend making your collage and then let it dry. I usually let my collage dry overnight because I am not a fan of heat setting a collage, as I too often manage to ruin it by overheating it. Every now and then I use that catalyst tool to press the papers onto the page and to remove some of the gel that is too much. I decided I want to adhere a rainbow that I have stamped onto a jelly printed deli paper, and deli paper tends to crinkle when you use it with gel medium, and there is also that catalyst tool very helpful because it smoothes everything. And I also want to bring in more of that yellow that was on the deli paper, and I decided to adhere a flower that is also on this piece of collage paper. And I felt I need some more of that yellow, so I just took a little piece and put it onto the right bottom. After that, I will let this dry completely before I come back and work a little bit more on this page. I really love these kind of backgrounds. They are super easy to create, and with the pre-stamped collage papers you already have everything you need to finish up the art journal page. That means you don't need to plan in much time for creating, and that's what I really like. I want to bring all the pieces a little bit more together, and I'm making some marks with the Posca paint pens. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add a focal point to this spread, so I took out some very old prepared main images or focal points. I have a little box laying around with them, and there are pre-stamped images and also cut out watercolor paintings. While I was placing all the ephemera pieces onto my page, I had a look through the camera and decided if I like it or not. And finally, I did not like much of them, but I found one of the leaves from the Loose Florals stamp set, and this one is stamped with Neocolor 2 crayons, and therefore I inked up the stamp with the crayon, and then I spritzed some water onto it and stamped it onto watercolor paper, and then I blended the color in with a brush a little bit, and I think this is the perfect image for this spread. I also searched in my box with words for a matching word, and I picked explore. This one is embossed in white onto black cardstock, and I'm just adhering all these pieces to my spread. Yes, and that's my spread for today. I am not sure if this will be uploaded on Saturday or on Wednesday. I haven't decided that yet. We will see. If it's Saturday, I wish you a nice weekend, and if it is Wednesday, I wish you a happy rest of the week. Bye.